What up, Tube? Morning. Right now it's about 7:30 in the morning. We're right here at the swap meet already. We're already all set up. I'm about to hit the shop right now. Head over there. We're only open till 12 today because today is Super Bowl Sunday. It's a holiday, so we're only going to be there partly of the day, and then going home, barbecuing for the fams, making some tri-tips and some ribs, and watch this game. Hopefully the Eagles win this. Tired of watching the Patriots win.
Eagles.
So I'll be back with you guys in a while. All right, later. What up, Tube? It's your boy Big Al right here. I'm about to put these tri-tips in here. These tri-tips have already been marinated. Get out of here, man! Sorry about that. I didn't mean to be mean to my dog, but they're pests. These got seasoned yesterday at Stater Brothers. Nice piece of meat. Thick fat's taking it off. Get out of here! These are the bad boys right here. Look at this. Okay guys, check it out. This is my smoker right here. Got them all lined up right now. 3 tri-tips, 3 racks of ribs. They'll be done in probably about 4 hours, 3 hours. Hopefully we'll be eating before halftime. I'll get back with you guys.
He's the one closest to the thing. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. Ancient Chinese secret. Well, ancient Logio secret. Big Al's baked beans.
And that's a barbecue.
Bella, who makes the best barbecue?
Grandpa!
That's right, girl. Don't touch your camera, Playboy. I leave it right there. That's my granddaughter and my nephew. We were wrong. They're my assistants right now. So, 1 big can of Bush's beans. No, not that. Leave that over there. We don't need that one. We don't need that one over here. Put that one back, Mala. That's not for the beans. 1 can of kidney beans. That's good. That's probably the wrong way to do it, guys. No. Listen. Grandpa should be smarter than this.
What?
Kidney beans, we take the juice out of. Remember, guys?
Yep. This is the beans. Yeah, I got beans.
Okay, next count.
This one?
Kidney beans.
Kidney beans. Kidney beans.
Next. Black beans.
Black beans.
Same thing, take the juice out.
black beans, no black bean juice. Only black beans.
Yeah. Black beans. Black beans.
The negro beans. Just kidding, guys.
Yeah. Banana beans. Yeah. Mama, Daddy.
What?
These are the that way. And in the pizza.
Pinto beans, guys. Pinto beans down.
Yeah.
Same thing, no soup.
No soup.
No soup, just the beans.
Beans.
And since we're Mexican, we're gonna use 2 cans of pinto beans. Cause that's what Mexicans do.
No, dude.
Nothing but protein. Nothing but protein. One more can
One more time. And one
of kidney
sugar.
beans.
Do that. Daddy, what's up these, Dad?
Those is brown sugar.
Huh?
That goes next. Okay?
No.
So another can of kidney beans.
And you,
And one more can of black beans.
Bella, you, me.
So remember, guys, 2 cans of each. Except for the pinto. Pinto we use a lot because, why? Because we're paisa, right?
Where do you want these onions, Dad?
Right now, leave them right there. I'm gonna put it on a plate or something. I'm gonna cook them.
I wanna try it, Dad.
It's not ready yet, baby. Let me see. Let me bring you guys closer so you guys can see what we're working here, bro. Let me lower the camera a little bit.
I don't know there's a fish.
That's what it's looking like, guys.
We need to have that fish.
Stir the bacon, man. So basically, this is a combination of red beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and Bush's baked beans. Okay? Very, very simple recipe. Okay?
Hey, Dad.
Now I got my assistants right here with me. Okay? So now that we have our beans all together, let's throw this trash away. Don't touch. Well, get your head, get your face out of the camera, Ron.
Huh?
Don't put your face in front of it, okay? Because then people can't see.
What?
People are gonna watch. People are watching this, all right? YouTube is watching this. What are you doing with the sugar, Bella?
Huh?
The sugar, the little brown sugar.
Oh, the sugar right there.
So once we have all the beans in there, our next is brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And me personally, I don't measure too much. I'm not really a measuring kind of guy. I'm more of a just an adder. We have to go get grandma right now, huh?
Yeah, we have to go get grandma.
This we're gonna break up a little bit, okay?
No. Oh. Why are we gonna put it in there?
I'll probably put about half the package in it.
No, Bella. Daddy, I stop it.
No, because you're gonna make a mess.
I'm not gonna do it fast. Just slowly.
Just breaking up the sugar up a little bit. Don't make a mess, Bella.
Bella, leave it alone, Pop Mom. Let Grandpa show you how to make it first.
I'm showing you how to make it. That way you already know how to make it, okay? Okay. So after you put the beans in, you add brown sugar. You like brown sugar? Yeah. I know, me too. Then the next ingredient is...
Eggs.
What Where's the molasses at?
Right there.
Aquí hay.
Oh, right here.
Aquí hay una que está empezando.
No, Bella. Guys, we have to read it.
Next ingredient is molasses.
Yeah.
Back up, because you can't see, Ron. Back up. Just right there, Papa, right there. Because that way you can, everybody can see. And like I said before, I'm not a measurer, so there's about a half a bottle in here, so I'm going to use a half a full bottle.
Huh. It's funny.
Let me see that spoon right there.
What?
Give me a spoon right there.
You sure?
Yeah, the spoon. The spoon. That's not a spoon. Yeah. Put the other one back so it doesn't get on the thing.
Okay, you guys go to the living room. Go play in the living room.
I'm almost done.
I'm gonna watch you.
That's it. Okay, so we got all our beans in there. We got sugar, brown sugar. We got molasses. The only thing left to add is our bacon and onions combination.
Bacon.
Here, let me show you guys over here. Take you guys over here. That's for the bacon. See that? Right now, when that's almost done, I'm just gonna add the onions to it. Get them all nice and brown, and then I'm gonna add it to the beans, and they're done. Basically, I just put them in the smoker for about an hour so they warm up, and they'll be done. That's my tia right there. This is J-Lo. J-Lo, say hi, J-Lo.
Hi.
What J-Lo is making right here is, well, that's the onions for the beans, but she's got over here
Pasta salad.
pasta salad. Ooh. Super Bowl Sunday, guys. If you ain't feasting, you ain't doing it right. So these two right here are my little assistants today. That's Bella. Bella, say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
And that's Baby Ron.
Say hi, baby Ron.
Hi.
And this is what we're working with right here, guys. Check it out. These are the beans. They're almost done. We just gotta add the bacon.
Now you open the other one.
Bella,
What?
do you love these beans?
Yeah. I can
Do they taste good?
Yeah.
Are they your favorite? Who makes the best beans?
Dad. Dad. You're not doing
I'm actually your grandpa, but she calls me dad. She's been doing that forever. Yeah, you can throw those in there, bro.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah, no, that's good. It'll cook up. So now we're gonna add the onions
Okay.
to the bacon.
No, Bella.
We'll let those onions crystallize, and once they crystallize, we'll add it to the beans, and that's it. Then I'll throw them in the smoker, and we'll let the drippings from the ribs drip all over it. Makes it even that much better. All right, be back, guys. All right, guys, check it out. So this is what the onions look like when they're done. See that? All caramelized. Bacon could be a little crispier, but it's all right. I like soggy bacon. I don't know about you guys. So then we're gonna get this now, and we're gonna add it over here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Bacon grease and all. I'm gonna mix it all up together. And what I'm gonna do right now is just put it in my smoker with the meat. Actually, I probably won't put it in until I come back from swap meet. I still gotta go to swap meet right now. That's it, guys. That's all there is. Been in there right now about probably like 35 minutes. Maybe an hour. Check it out. Give you guys a little peek. Let out some of the. So check it out, guys. Just took the tri-tips out. I'm gonna let them sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and cut them right now. Slice them all up. I already taste them. Super bomb. So this is the final product right here, guys. Just some of this jus on top. Little droppings from them. Check it out. Final product, guys. Check it out. Scallops, tri-tip, Big L's famous beans. Dang. About to tear it up. Halftime right now. You guys have a great Super Bowl. We are. We're right here with the fams, chilling, watching the end of this football game, trying to finish off this day. That's my big brother over there, Robert. He's older, my older brother. Fran, son-in-law. That's Serena over there. Hi, Serena. Say Serena. Hi.
Ashley's on the phone.
Oh, say hi. Hi, Ashley. Hi, YouTube. Just kidding, man. Stupid vlog. My brother's a hater. Don't listen to him. You guys keep watching, all right? Click the subscribe button, all right? We'll see you guys tomorrow.